So this is the problem belongs to model 3 two-dimensional random variables. The problem is if the joint probability density function of x and y is f of x comma y equal to 1 by 8 6 minus x minus y, where x lies between 0 and 2, y lies between 0 and 2 and 4. 0 otherwise. Find P of x less than 1 intersection y less than 3. Second one, P of x less than 1 given y less than 3. Third one, P of x plus y less than 3. So solution, first write the given f of x comma y function. So given f of x comma y equal to 1 by 8 into 6 minus x minus y, where 0 less than x less than 2, 2 less than y less than 4. The first one, probability of x less than 1 intersection y less than 3. So the formula for this is, in general, minus infinity to infinity, x interval, y interval minus infinity infinity, f of x comma y dy dx. So for this problem specifically, see here x value 0 to 2, y value 2 to 4. So the limit integral lower limit value for x is 0 to 1. Why? Because in general 0 to 2, but in this case they mentioned that x value less than 1. So 0 to 1. And then integral value for y in general, that is 2 to 2 to 4. But here they mentioned y value less than 3. So lower limit value, lower limit value 2, then upper limit value 3. See here 1 and 3, because of the problem we need x less than 1, y less than 3. Okay. Then f of xy, x comma y, the function given in the problem itself, 1 by 8 into 6 minus x minus y dy dx. So here first take outside the constant term. Constant is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 outside. The integrals 0 to 1, 2 to 3. The remaining term 6 minus x minus y dy dx. So 1 by 8, 0 to 1. First integration with respect to y. So consider this integral. So integration with respect to y. So 6 into dy, it gives 6y minus x into dy, xy minus y dy gives integration formula, integration x power n dx formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. For example, if integration of x square dx value will be x power n plus 1. So 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So that is x power 3 by 3. So minus y dy will be minus y squared. Already 1 is there. So n plus 1. So y squared by 2. So upper limit value 3. Lower limit value 2. Into dx. So the next step. 1 by 8. 0 to 1. So we need to substitute the upper limit and lower limit value in the place of y, because first integration with respect to y variable. So we need to substitute in the place of y upper limit minus lower limit. So 6, what is the upper limit value? 3. So lower limit value 2. So 6 into 3 minus 2 minus x variable the same, but in the place of y variable we need to substitute the upper and lower limit value minus here 3 squared by 2 upper limit value minus lower limit value 2 squared by 2 into dx. Next step, 1 by 8 into 0 to 1, 6 into 3 minus 2 1 minus x into 3 minus 2 1 minus the value is 3 square 9 by 2 minus 4 by 2 into dx. So this 1 by 8 integral over 0 to 1, 6 minus x minus both the denominators are same. So denominator value will be 2, numerator value 9 minus 4, that is 5 into dx. This 1 by 8 integral over 0 to 1. So consider these two constant value common. So minus x plus 6 minus 5 by 2 by 1 dx. So next step, 1 by 8 integral over 0 to 1 minus x. So take LCM, that is multiply these two terms. Denominator 2, 6 2s are 12 minus 5. So 1 by 8 into integral over 0 to 1 minus x, 12 minus 5, that is 7 by 2 into dx, which is equal to the next step, integration with respect to x. So minus x dx integration value will be minus x power 1 means 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 2, x square by 2 plus constant term means 7 by 2 into x. So upper limit value 1, lower limit value 0. Next step, substitute in the place of x upper limit value minus lower limit value. So upper limit 1, lower limit value 0. So minus 1 squared by 2 minus 0 square anyway 0. We can omit plus 7 by 2 into upper limit 1 minus 0. That is 1 by 8 into minus 1 square. Minus 1 square. So that is minus 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2 into 1, that is 7 by 2. So 1 by 8. Both the denominators are 2. So numerator minus 1 plus 7, that is 6. So we can cancel 1 2s are 2, 3 2s are 6. The answer is P of x less than 1 intersection y less than 3 equal to 3 by 8. The second one we need to find probability of x less than 1 given, this is conditional probability, you should read it as given y less than 3. Formula for conditional probability is P of x less than 1 intersection y less than 3 by P of y less than 3. Which one appears second term? It should be here. This is the conditional probability formula. So we already found that numerator value. Numerator value, that is P of x less than 1 intersection y less than 3 we already found. So now we need to find the P of y less than 3. So in general formula, minus infinity to infinity, minus infinity to infinity, f of x comma y dy dx. Just in this problem, they gave that x value from 0 to 2. So there is no condition here for x. So we can directly substitute 0 to 2, this interval given in the problem, and then for y, lower integral value is 2. But the upper integral value they gave that 3. So 2 to 3. F of xy formula, f of xy given in the problem, 1 by 8, 6 minus x minus y dy dx. So next step, we can take outside the constant term 1 by 8, the remaining 0 to 2, 2 to 3, 6 minus x minus y into dy dx. One by 8 into 0 to 2, integration with respect to y. So that is 6 into dy, 6y, x into dy minus xy minus x into dy, that is minus power 1 means 1 plus 1, that is 2 by 2. Upper limit is 3, lower limit is 2. 3 by 3 and 2 into dx. Next step 1 by 8, 0 to 2. So we need to substitute here integration with respect to y. So in the place of y we need to substitute upper and lower limit values. So 6 into upper limit value 3 minus lower limit value 2 minus x into upper limit value 3 minus lower limit value 2 minus, we can substitute separately. So 3 squared by 2 minus 2 squared by 2 into dx. That is 1 by 8 into 0 to 2, 6 into 1 minus x into 1 minus 9 by 2 minus 4 by 2 into dx, which is equal to 1 by 8, 0 to 2, 6 minus 6 into 1, 6. So x into 1 x minus, both the denominators are 2, numerator 9 minus 4, that is 5 into dx. Next integration with respect to x. So 6 into ds, this 6 into dx is 6 so minus x plus 6 minus 5 by 2 into dx. So take LCM, this 1 by 8 into minus x plus denominator 2 numerator 12 minus 5 dx, that is 1 by 8. Okay, here integral is the 0 to 2, 0 to 2. So 0 to 2 minus x plus 12 minus 5, that is 7 by 2 into dx. Next step, we need to integrate this value with respect to x. So 1 by 8, integration of minus x is minus x squared by 2 plus 7 by 2 into x. Upper limit value 2, lower limit value 0. The next step, we need to substitute the upper and lower limit value in the place of x. So minus 2 squared by 2. Lower limit value 0 squared by 2, anyway again 0. See, we omit that part. And then 7 by 2 into 2 minus 0. That is 1 by 8 into minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2 plus 7 by 2 into 2. That is, we can 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 8, 2 2 get cancelled. 1 by 8 into minus 2 plus 7. That is 1 by 8 into 5. So P of y less than 3 is 5 by 8. So in the conditional probability P of x less than 1 given y less than 3, numerator P of x less than 1 intersection y less than 3 by P of y less than 3. See, we already found that the numerator value is 3 by 8, and then now we found that the denominator value will be 5 by 8. That means 3 by 8 division means inverse multiplication, that is 8 by 5. So 5 by 8 converted into 8 by 5. 8 get cancelled. The remaining is 3 by 5. So P of x less than 1 given y less than 3 value is 3 by 5. And then the final part of this problem. So find probability of x plus y less than 3. Okay, for this problem, this is x-axis, x-axis, y-axis. In the problem, they gave that x value 0 to 2. So here 1 and 2. Y value 2 to 4. This is x plus y equal to 3. It means the point here is 1 comma 2. So sum of these two terms will be 3. Here 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1 3. Here x value 0, x value 3 and y value 0. 3 comma 0. So 0 comma 3. See, in the problem they gave that x interval 0 to 2. So 0 to 2 only, x interval 0 to 2. Y interval 2 to 4. We need to find the place which should satisfy these two conditions. Additional is x plus y less than 3. Additional condition is x plus y less than 3. So here we draw a x plus y equal to 3 line. So we need this area to find. So this is the area. X value between 0 to 2 and y value between x value between 0 to 2, y value between 2 to 4, and then x plus y less than 3. So we draw this graph to find the integral lower limit upper limit value. In this case, y integral value is y value 2, 2 to 3. So 2 to 3. So y integral value is 2 to 3. Okay. From the table, y is 2 to 3. Here check 2 to 3. Y integral. To find this area, y is 2 to 3. And then x value starts 0. But what is the end point is, we can find this end point using this formula. So x plus y equal to 3 means, what is x value? X value is 3 minus y. So 0 value x integral 0 to 3 minus y. So to find this value, p of x plus y less than 3, 2 to 3, that is y variable, sorry, y integral limits, and then x integral limits are 0 to 3 minus y. F of x comma y dx dy. See, you may have the doubt that whether we need to integrate first with respect to x or y. The question is any integral value. Just check any integral value, upper and lower limit values. Suppose this value is 3 minus y, which is a function of y, some function of y. So, we need to integrate first with respect to x. Just listen. We need to, if the four integral values are number, no need to worry about whether dy first or dx. But in the case, any of the integral value is function of y means first integration with respect to x. If any of the integral value is function of x means first integration with respect to y. So here there is a function of y. So first integration with respect to x. That is integral 2 to 3, 0 to 3 minus y 1 by 8 into 6 minus x minus y dx dy. First integration with respect to x. So we can take outside the constant 1 by 8, the remaining term 2 to 3, 0 to 3 minus y into 6 minus x minus y into dx dy. 1 by 8, 2 to 3, so integration with respect to x, that is 6 into integration with respect to x means 6x minus x with respect to x means minus x square by 2 minus yx. Upper and lower limit value will be upper limit 3 minus y, lower limit value 0 into dy. So 1 by 8, 2 to 3, so in the last case we integrate the term with respect to x. So in the place of x only we need to substitute the upper and lower limit value. So 6 into 3 minus y, lower limit value 0, so we can omit, minus y x square 3 minus y whole squared by 2 minus 0 square, so we can omit. So y into, in the place of x only we need to substitute the value because integration with respect to x. So y into 3 minus y into dx. So 1 by 8, integration 2 to 3 6 threes are 18 minus 6y minus a minus b whole square formula in general. A minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a square is 3 square, that is 9, plus b square, that is y square minus 2ab. 2 into 3, 6y, ab, 6y by 2 minus multiply these two terms. 3y minus into minus plus y square dx. Next step 1 by 8 1 by 8 into integral over 2 to integral over 2 to 3 18 minus 6y minus 9 by 2 minus y squared by 2 minus into minus plus 6y by 2 minus 3y plus y square into dx. So here 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 3. So this value will be 3y plus 3y. This is minus 3y. So we can cancel these two. 1 by 8 integral over 2 to 3. First consider the numbers. Number 2 minus 9 by 8. 9 by 2. So denominator, no number means LCM, we can take 2. So multiply and divide by 2. So 18 into 2, 36. 36 minus 9. Minus 9 and then 18. Minus this term 6y minus, so this is y square term, this is plus y square term, so we can take LCM minus y square plus y square by 2, that is 2y square, multiply and divide by 2. So denominator 2, numerator 2y square into dx. Next step 1 by 8 into 2 to 3 integral. So 36 minus 9, 27. 27 minus minus 6y plus y plus means denominator is 2. So this is 1y square, this is 2y square. So signs are opposite signs. So we should subtract. So y square, 2y square, subtract value is y square. But the greatest value 2 coefficient is plus. So the term is plus y squared by 2 into dx. Next step, integration with respect to x. That is, see, correct it here. All the places are dy. So dy carrying dy and then dy, not dx. So dy. Next step, integration with respect to y. It is 27 by 2 into y minus 6 into integration with respect to y is y squared by 2 plus y cube by 3, but already there is a 2, so 2 into 3. Upper limit is 3, lower limit is 2. 1 by 8 into 27 by 2, upper limit value 3 minus lower limit value 2 minus 6 by 2 common. So upper limit value 3 squared minus lower limit value 2 squared plus 1 by 6. 2 into 3, 6, 1 by 6 common. Upper limit is 3 cube minus lower limit is 2 cube. It is 1 by 8 into 27 by 2 into 1. 3 minus 2, 1 minus 6 by 2 into 3 square 9 minus 2 square 4 plus 1 by 6 into 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 by 8, 27 by 2 minus 6 by 2 into 9 minus 4, that is 5, plus 1 by 6 into 27 minus 8, that is 19. So 1 by 8, whether all the denominators are same. So before that, 27 by 2 minus 6 5s are 30 by 2 minus plus 19 by 6. So 1 by 8, first two terms, both the denominators are same. So 2, numerator value 27 minus 3, that is minus 3. 27 minus 3, value is minus 3 plus 19 by 6. Next step, 1 by 8 into, so both the denominators are not same. So this term multiply and divide by 3. Multiply and divide by 3. 2. So multiply and divide by 3. So common 2 powers. 2 into 3 is 6. Not power 3. 2 into 3. 3 into 3, 2 into 3. So 6 numerator will be minus 9 plus 19. That is 1 by 8 into denominator 6, numerator 9 minus 9 plus 19 is 10. So 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. It is 5 by 8 3s are 24. So the P of x plus y less than 3 value will be 5 by 24. The problem is completed.